Let's read the question. The shape of a garden is rectangular at the middle. Now in the middle it's rectangular in shape and semicircular at the ends. You can see that this is semicircular at the ends as shown in the figure. Find the area, number 1. And number 2, the perimeter of this garden, number 2. So we have to find two things here. Number 1, area of this figure, and second, perimeter of this figure. Well, what is the area of the figure? Can you figure it out? Area means this portion, this portion, this portion. So it consists of basically 3 parts. This portion, you can say it is the area of a semicircle. Now this one is also area of the semicircle. So it is the combination, or it will be the sum of area of this semicircle plus area of this semicircle plus area of this rectangle, right? So this is my hint to you. Hint is, what is total area? Area of 2 semicircles plus area of the rectangle, right? Second thing, total perimeter. What is perimeter? It is the sum of all boundaries, or it is the boundary, right? So here the perimeter will be this arc, semicircular arc, this semicircular arc and this length, right? So it will be 2 times the semicircular arc and only the length, not this part. You are not going to consider this diameter, you are not going to consider the breadth of the rectangle in the perimeter, right? Okay, so let's do it. Very simple one. Now as you can see, to find what is actually the length of this rectangle, what is the actual length of this rectangle? Well, if you see it here, right, from this place, from here to here, it is total 20, right? But this part, this diameter is 7, so it means this will be 3.5. Similarly, this will also be 3.5. So the length of the rectangle will be 20 minus 2 times 3.5. This will be 3.5 plus 3.5. It means 20 minus 7, which is equals to 13. So this one is 13, right? Okay, and this is 7. So 13 into 7, you can easily find the area of the rectangle. So let's do the solution now. The step number 1 would be to find the area of the rectangle. So the area of rectangle will be length into breadth. But what will be the length of the rectangle? As we have seen, this is complete 20 minus 7, which is equals to 13, right? So this is 13, and the breadth of the rectangle is 7, so this is equals to 91, and it is in meter, so this will be 91 meters square, right? And now we'll find out the area of 2 semicircles. As we have discussed, this is 7, so the radius will be 7 by 2 here. This is also 7 by 2. It means both these are congruent semicircles, okay? So area of 1 semicircle will be 1 by 2 times pi r square, right? So it is 1 by 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, okay? So if you take area of 2 semicircular arcs, or area of 2 semicircles will be 2 into 1 by 2 times 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, right? So this 2 gets cancelled here. Let's further simplify it. Now what you get is here this 7 and 7 gets cancelled, and you have 22 into 7, which is 154 divided by 4. So let's divide 154 by 4. 4 3s are 12, 34. So 4 8s are 32, and you have now what is left is 2. So this will be 38.5 meters square. So now we'll find the total area. So total area will be 91 plus 38.5 in meters square, and that is equals to 0.5, 8 plus 1 9, 3 plus 9 12. So 129.5 meters square. That is the total area. But this is the step number 1. We have found out the total area, which is 129.5 meters square. And now we will also find the perimeter. How will you find out the perimeter? Let's find out the perimeter now. Second thing, total perimeter. Total perimeter, right? This is the semicircular, this is also semicircular arc. So that it will be 2 times See, this is semicircular means half of 2 pi r, it means pi r. So this is pi times r, this is also pi times r. So it will be 2 times pi r, or circumference of the complete circle, plus this is 13 we have seen, and this is also 13. So 13 plus 13, that will be 26. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7 by 2 here, plus 26, right? So here 2 gets cancelled, 7 gets cancelled, and you have 22 plus 26, which is equals to 48. This is perimeter, so it will be only in meters, right students? So I hope students you have very well understood this question. Let's meet in the next video to solve question number 4. Thank you for watching.